Welcome back, tenors. We're doing a little warm-up for you today. I'm really excited. We're going to start with a gentle hum. Make a nice O shape on the inside of your mouth as we do this. And if I drop out, make sure you're listening to the pitches on the piano. I don't want to confuse you with my higher voice. So here we go. We're going to start on C3, tenors. The slide is but lower in your lowest of the low parts of your voice. Nice and easy slide. One more. If you could hum that highest note, you can certainly sing it. That's up to an A4, tenors. Nice work. We're going to do the same thing but on a lip trill. If you can't do a lip trill, then you can do an NG. That's another great SOVT warm-up. So here we go. We're going to start low on C3 and go up to A4 once again. The exercise is but we're going to do it in your range. Here we go. Bit of a change. Raise your eyebrows a little bit. Stay connected. Two more. Nice job. We're staying on one note this time. Make sure it's the same note. You might want to move, but the idea is to practice our vowels in every single part of our range. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. So mi, think of it being lifted, mi, but we are relaxing our tongue on the back of our bottom teeth. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Notice how every single vowel, I did something with my face. That's the idea. You want to really open up. Ma is like you're biting into an apple. It's lifted. You might be showing your front teeth or at least smiling in your cheeks. Moo is really pure, and we've got a relaxed tongue there as well. So it's going to sound like this. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Make sure you're not going mi, me, ma, mo or something. You're staying on the same note. So this is great ear training. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Right there. Here we go. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Exaggerated mouth. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. On one breath. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. thread the needle. Mi, me, mo, mo, mu. Open up. Mi, me, mo, mo, mu. One more. Mi, me, mo, mo, mu. Nice work, tenors. That's not easy. Okay, we're going to do the same 1, 5, 1. But it's ma. Really open, lifted in the back, but with a little bit of resonance, a little smile in our cheeks as we've been talking about, like biting into an apple. So it's going to be ma. Very sloppy. Give it a good at the beginning there. I don't want to confuse you. It's lower. Ma. But in my range, it sounds like this. Ma. Ma. Okay? Getting a little higher, think a little nasal, more nasal. Ma, to thread the needle there. Ma, stay connected to your breath. Ma, nice and easy. Ma. Next we're doing boy, oi, 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 boy. This is great for a little tongue workout in the back. You'll notice your tongue, if you're really feeling it out, it's going boy, oi, 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 oi. So you want this to be nice and relaxed. You want the tip of your tongue to be on the back of your bottom teeth for the most part, but then you want the back of it to do a little work push-up for you. Boy, oi, 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 oi. That's the idea. It's a good tongue workout. We're going to do, starting around your middle range and just go down. Might feel a little high to you. For me, it like sounds lower than it is though. But boy, it's like middle high range for you. Boy, oi, 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 oi. Here we go. Boy, oi, 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 oi. Boy, oi, 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 oi. Boy, oi, 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 oi. Boy, oi, All right, we're going to do a slide again. E, O, E. Starting on E, our nice E. Slightly lifted, tongue relaxed. And then no. I want you to pay attention to that transition. E, O, E. As we go higher, we are lifting also because of the O vowel. E, O, E. This is great for transitioning to your mix and just throughout your register, those little transitions. This is a great one for you tenors. All right, so we're going to start C3 again and go all the way through your range. I can't sing that low, so you're going to have to listen. Good ear training. Listen for that note. That's your note to sing, okay? bit about agility for this one, but also finding a little bit of resonance and openness at the same time. It's a great warm up to go throughout your range. So see if you can get these intervals. No, 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 no. The idea is we're starting kind of chesty, but then we have to transition. We have to lighten it up and find resonance, but not pushed. And we have to do it kind of quickly as we go up here. No, 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 no. I'll do it one more time. No, 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 no. Again, you're going to have to listen to your nose, because here's where we're starting. It's going to sound a little different in my voice. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Okay, let's do a gentle one. Meow, a nice meow. We're gonna go meow, 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 meow. Nice and gentle. Keep the volume pretty light, like a speaking, or maybe lightly. Meow, 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 meow. Feel that nice like massage. Talk about threading the needle. It's very light. It's finding resonance without pushing at all. You want to imitate a cat for this. Meow, 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 meow. Nice and easy. Here we go. Meow, 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 meow. 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 Nice and bright. Meow, 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 meow. Relax that tongue. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Lastly, we're going to do a siren. Okay, so you're going to go woo, as low as you can to as high as you can. Do that a couple of times here. Woo. All right, I hope that helped you. You're ready to sing. Happy singing.